G5 kids.
Soldier.
Hey guys, it's still Ray and I'm back with another video trying to figure out where the heck the microphone is so I can talk real loud. But we're going to be doing box braids today, guys, and sorry for the quality of this video towards the beginning. It is a little out of focus, but just stick with me. I promise you'll learn something by the end of this. Right now what we're doing is just parting the hair. To get that nice, clean, crisp part, you want to apply some products to both sides of the hair. That's going to get you that nice, crisp part, and it's also going to make the separation way neater than if you just dry part. This is funny. Okay. I'm still parting. I don't know why I'm still parting, but I'm still here. Alright, so this client in particular asked for square partings. As you can see, I'm parting the next section. What you want to do is stagger your parts. So you don't want the squares lined up. You want them to be staggered so that when the braids fall, they're not laying on top of each other. So as you can see, the parts are separated. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. Just watch. Alright, so this is where it's out of focus. But what you're going to do is separate that section into two sections. And taking that hair, you're going to grab one section and grip the next. Now, I don't think you have to do this all in one step. It's like a two-step process. So just grip. That's all. That's like how I can explain it. Just freaking grip. I'm not good at explaining stuff. This is for my visual learners who kind of got an idea but just need to see it a couple times to get it down. You're just going to grip. And once you braid a little bit of that hair, you're going to flip your hands to the underneath side and you're going to braid under to make your braiding consistent so it doesn't get smaller as you go down. Here's another view that's out of focus. Just watch. Just watch. Hey, I'm back. Sorry, didn't mean to scare you. But I just had to show y'all that when I'm braiding, I don't braid the hair all the way down to the ends just because it's time consuming. Get all the braids applied in the hair and then braid your ends. This is the Murray's. It's out of focus, but it's orange. That's all you need to know. It's orange. It's pomade. Go ahead and apply that around the edges of the braid. That's going to help you if you have problems gripping. That's going to group the hair together, so it kind of already grips it for you in a way. Hopefully you guys are still in this video. This is the back section where it gets a little easier to see how I'm gripping this hair. Same thing in the back section. The only thing I change in the back is I make my partings wider and a little bit bigger, but using the same amount of hair so that the braid is the same size, just because it'll remove some of that weight. Box braids can be very heavy and very stressful on the hair. So if you can limit the amount of box braids you have and the amount of weight that you put in a client's hair, it'll make it a whole lot easier for them. Another thing I wanted to note before this video ends is, as you can see in the back, I am not gripping the hair that tight. I do this because I don't believe in gripping hair that tight. Your hair will fall out, and I'm not going to be the one to give you no edges and have you having bald spots. So I understand your clients want their hair to be long, fresh, last long or whatever, but no, don't grip that hair to where you gripping a memory.